These blast gates I built a couple of months ago do work really well, but now I think that they are just a little bit too fragile, especially in a wall-mounted type situation where there could be clutter collecting around the blast gate, which could cause a collision, which would then in turn cause the blast gate to stop. So I want to come up with a bit of a sturdier design where the actual moving part of the blast gate is completely enclosed. I milled a step into those hold downs so that they can grip the saw curve of the workpiece, which is very convenient. No. Now cutting off the tabs on the router table using a flush trim bit. These surfaces are pre-varnished, so I'm using construction adhesive. Rotary motion in general is less likely to jam than linear motion, and that is one of the benefits of this design. And some silver glide to make the part slippery and to keep stuff from sticking. And I'm securing those pieces of pipe using a screw, a broken off drill, and another screw. This should be sufficient. Another nice thing about this design is that the same size actuator can be used for a lot of different sizes of ducting. This, for example, is a 100mm one, and here is a much bigger 125mm one. The actuators I used here are much more substantial than the ones I used last time. This one produces 400 newtons of force, and the small ones from last time produce just 30. And of course, if these are mounted against the wall like this with the actuator on the underside to protect it against dust, there is virtually no way for them to get blocked. If you want to know how I did the electrical work for these blast gates, there's a link to another video down in the description.